Hi everyone, welcome to 2022. Happy New Year. I want to wish everybody a happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you all didn't party too much last night. And yeah, let's enjoy a great 2022. Before I get started with this video, I need to show off this card I got from John at Mighty JJK Models. He does excellent work. I'll put a link to his site in the description. If you guys aren't subscribed to him, go check him out. He does beautiful work. Thank you for the kind words on the back, John. I do appreciate that. And yeah, go check out Mighty JJK Models. Excellent builder. Okay, so I have finished the 6mm figures I had started for my new 7 Years War project. So I've gotten the first 4 infantry Prussian units completed, and I did go with the longer bases like I had stated. So bases are 120 millimeter long, 30 millimeters deep. Okay, 3 ranks. Commander in the middle. And I think, excuse me, I think the basing turned out really well with this. Yeah. And I'll just show off. The little white tag in the back here is for unit identification. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to identify each unit yet for the basing. But yeah, that's what that tag is for. Just thought I'd show off each unit. The flags came from Bacchus for buying the, or bought it with the army pack that I purchased. This is one of the reasons why I like 6mm. You really get a nice mass effect on the tabletop. So there you go. I do want to show off something. So typically the Prussian uniforms, the coats are Prussian blue. And with something this small, you don't want to go with a really dark color. So this is the Prussian blue that I have. Okay. What I ended up using instead was this. It's not nearly as dark. So even though in the mass effect here, the color will look dark enough, but you'll be able to see it without it looking black. And what I thought I'd do, or what I did, let me move this up real quick. Give myself some more room. So this is my little paint palette. Okay. So this is the primary blue. I'm just giving you what it looks like. This is the Prussian blue. And you see how dark that is. This is the navy blue. And this is the Cantabrick blue. Okay, so that's what I ended up using for the uniforms. And then when I did the officer uniforms, I used a combination of colors here because they were standalone. But essentially, and this is just the palette that I used for these figures. Okay. But I just wanted to show you what that difference was. And I did finish up they paint up the generals. Okay, you can see I used the different blues and some whites and off-whites for the generals. That one. And there's this one. Right. There you go. So that's it. Real quick. First video of the year. Again, I hope everybody is doing very well. I've been catching up on everybody's videos. And again, wish everybody a happy new year. And I do want to say thank you to all my long-term subscribers. And I've picked up a few new ones. And I do appreciate that. I hope you like the content here. And I hope you stick around. And everybody, have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.